If you're in the job market, you probably have heard about Glassdoor. It's a pretty cool website. Today I'm going to show you how exactly to create your Glassdoor account and one or two tips in navigating through the platform. So let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is jump straight onto glassdoor.com. You'll land up on this page, and there are a few ways that you can create an account. Okay, so you can create an account with your Apple ID, you can create an account with your Google account, and then you could just continue with your email. But what you should be doing, in my opinion, is continuing either with your Google account or your Apple ID. Now, basically, this allows you to take all of your information from that account and put it directly into your Glassdoor account without having to fill in that extra information. So let's go ahead and choose an email address that we'd like to create it with. Let's go down and click on continue. We are going to be redirected to this page. You can see on the right hand side, you are now signed in, and here you need to set up your experience. So you're going to go ahead and state if you're employed or not. So for now, let's just say not currently. Here, your desired job title, and once you start typing, it'll actually give you a drop down menu. So let's go and choose here, and then we are going to go ahead and enter a location. So let's go ahead and use this location, and then you can have this send me updates when new jobs are available. So either check that on or off if you do want more jobs sent to you. You can also see over here, you can choose your industry. So it's already pre-selected an industry for you, but of course you can change it, and then what field you specialize in, and then go ahead and click on next. And this essentially will set up your profile so that you can have a job feed that is suited to your needs. Here, there's some communities that you can join, and once you've joined them, you can go ahead and just say done, and you will have a brand new Glassdoor account. There's nothing more to it. You can actually go ahead now and start searching for a job.